Meet Hamza. He just had a great idea for a blog post, but now begins the real struggle. Even with AI, it's still slow. Article from ChatGPT, okay. But then generate the title, find an image, format it, publish it, grab the link, generate a caption, and then share it manually. Every blog takes 30 to 40 minutes, even on a good day. This is not automation. It's duct-taped digital labor. What if there was a better way? Now meet the future. One message on Telegram. That's it. Just say what you want, and the bot does the rest. Within 60 seconds, a complete blog post published on WordPress shared across social media, all without lifting a finger again. This is not content creation, this is content automation, powered by AI, Telegram, and N8N. Let me show you how it works. Let's break down exactly what's happening behind the scenes. The Telegram bot captures your idea and passes it to GPT-4 for full blog generation. Next, we auto-generate fully SEO blog title, create an image using AI, and push everything directly to WordPress. Now we are fetching automatically the URL link for Blog GPT-powered social media caption with that URL link, posted instantly across your platform. I make a full user guide document for this. You can download from description as well as the workflow file. This is not just a fancy demo, it's already in use by content creators, startups, marketing agencies, and solo founders. Whether you're running a niche blog or scaling a content agency, this automation saves you hours every week. I call this system G Suite AI, the autonomous blogging engine, built entirely using N8N, GPT-4, and your favorite tools. Want to build this for yourself? I've documented the full process and I'm sharing it step by step. Hit subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll send you the full workflow. And if you want a custom version built for your brand, DM me. This is just the beginning. AI is not replacing content creators, it's supercharging them. Welcome to the new way of building with automation.